My please, Lordship. My Lord, I pray for allowing me to move on the pre-arrest bail application tomorrow. We are filing it today. Filing process is going on. Urgency is there.
See, Mr. Risu,
Yes.
I think Mr. Shulai will be very much aware of the situation. If you are not aware, see, there is a, what should I say?
Criminal appeal, Your Lordship.
There's a controversy rather of whether the old code or the new code will apply.
Lordship, yes.
So even in appeals or bail application or criminal petition, so that issue is to be decided by the division bench. So until and unless that issue is decided, this way or that way, this court cannot take up this matter.
But in my case, the case was registered under the old Act.
No, that is, see, there are some cases which were registered under the old Act. See, Section 533 would apply, of the new code would apply. But then the point is, unless, that issue is settled, this court cannot take up those matters. Bail matters.
I appreciate.
So what do
how
you do
my Lord, the citizen would have a serious problem, my Lord. It's a limited related issue of granting bail only.
I understand. You see, even
the larger issue, Lordship has pointed out.
Even if,
others.
I don't know, even if interim orders we pass, I know under what provision.
So I humbly pray, my Lord, though that larger issue is resolved by the learned division bench whatsoever, but my Lord, that would not deprive my Lord to consider the.
That would also, you see, because that any order pass by a single bench would have an impact on what would be decided by division bench. It would be at, it may not be at cross purpose. So we don't know. Of course, I am a member of
the bench
as well as.
Yes.
But then, under the circumstances, yes, you advise us, Mr. Shulai, what to do. You are a PP.
Lordship, that is the Lordship, because I don't know, pending investigation, because in that 531 of the BNSS, Lordship, there is a word pending that has to be interpreted, Your Lordship.
And that, Lordship, exactly, Lordship, that will take time. And because of that, settling that issue will not completely halt the criminal courts, including my Lord's bench. So for the ends of justice, subject to whatever outcome in future, definitely. But Lordship may have the jurisdiction to intervene.
I understand your concern, like I said. But then I think my hands are tied. Being conscious of the fact that this issue is yet to be decided. And many of these similar petitions, a series of bail applications have been filed, a number of bail applications have been filed. And this court has to keep those matters pending until a definite order is passed by division bench.
Well, by taking the expression of my Lord, I would move the Honorable Chief Justice also, but I hope he is not sitting. So that is my also limitation.
What you can do, you can approach the Chief Justice administratively, or even while mentioning in court, only on Monday.
Monday he'll be sitting?
Yeah, Monday is.
Well.
So that is the only advice I can give you.
Because my Lord's hand roster is still there, therefore I'm begging for mention.
And this is also not, it's not happening here only in this court. Even in a court of justice for charges, same thing. Same issue is raised, when criminal petitions are filed in the erstwhile 482, 1642 now. So we'll leave it at that. And in the meantime, you can always file.
But, or if Lordship give indulgence, I may allow to file it today.
File.
And at least before my Lord tomorrow, and Lordship may pass appropriate order. That will be more appropriate, in fact.
That would not serve any purpose.
waited to list before to place before the order of Chief Justice in view of this development.
That order has already been passed in earlier cases where this court has expressed its view. Matter is to be kept pending until final order is passed by division bench. There's no harm for you. You can always file. If it comes up before this court, I'll pass the appropriate order.
Okay.
I beg to mention item number 6, madam. My lord, first thing first, I was also informed that a senior counsel is also is recovering. So they were not going to do the matter, but I do not know what has happened. My lord, on behalf of the state, my submission for the adjournment is that, my lord, on the 6th of June, when this matter was taken up, we have already informed the court that a meeting was conducted and a special committee has been considered to go through the entire process of this promotion, my lord. So, my lord, this special committee are yet to make their brief study on the entire issue, and court benches has also kept certain matters on abeyance right now. My lord, we need a limited period of at least 2 months' time for the special committee to submit the report to the government, and thereafter we'll be able to apprise this honorable court, my lord, how the promotions and other issue will be dealt with, my lord. At least, my lord, for 8 weeks times is 8 weeks, my lord, we require 2 months, my lord, approximate.
Won't be too long. I'll give you 3 weeks time.
My lord, 4 weeks, then, my lord, we'll see what happens. But, my lord, it is
Let the matter come up then. You make a submission.
Your Lordship, in the last order, actually the state respondent was directed to file the related report.
that is what I'm submitting.
Yes, ma'am.
Let the matter come up.
Daily list item number 1.
May it pleases your lordship. This is the same issue, your lordship.
So, Mr. Sharan, I think same.
Yes, my lord.
Let it come on 7, your lordship. I hope by that time that
Yes.
if she is there, I think that matter will come, your lordship, on Monday. It may come on Monday, your lordship. Let come on 8, your lordship, to decide.
8. Yes. On pre-made by the party. This is matter on 8.
Apply, your lordship. 1 to 2, your lordship.
1 and 2, same.
Lordship,
One
yes.
is seen, my lord.
Item number 3.
We have this matter next week, my lord.
I think this is the matter where earlier there was some
talks of settlement
proposal
was
of
there.
settlement. It has
Yes.
not. It has
My
not
lord,
fructified.
the conditions set forth by both the parties is as such that we have reached a stalemate. We have not proceeded any further beyond that. We are still looking for a via media, my lord. If it is possible, we'll try and sort it out, my lord.
What is the issue involved here?
Well, there was a title suit filed by us, my lord, and the title suit was in our favor. Of course, on appeal, my lord, it was reversed. So, my lord, against that appellate court's order, my lord, we have preferred this revision. It's concerning a boundary between the two neighbors, my lord.
Neighbors.
Yes. And it's nothing that cannot be sorted out, my lord. We're still looking certain grey areas which are required to be looked into. We are trying our best to resolve that issue, my lord. So kindly have this matter maybe after 2 weeks, my lord. We'll try and sort it out.
It's okay, my lord.
It's like you said, it's never too late. You can still try and sort
We are
out
still looking, my lord. We're
if
still
your
trying.
neighbors, you see,
Two neighbors, my lord, they have to stay there for lifetime.
as far as neighbors are concerned, like Mr. Thapa was saying, you will be staying there for a lifetime. Whoever wins or lose,
That grudge will remain, my lord.
see, that scar will be there.
Absolutely.
That is why you see the courts would always encourage the parties for mediation or conciliation, so that in mediation or conciliation, for the matter, it's always a win-win situation.
Absolutely.
You should have taken note of that.
And stop applying.
What is land or money, for the matter? They are material things.
Absolutely.
Relationships are also to be looked into, reckoned with. But we cannot just delay the matter. See,
My lord, may have it after 2 weeks. We'll try and come with some concrete response, my lord, to this.
Premier with the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
My lord, can you allow me 1 week's time? I'll file the substitution, my lord, application. It will be substituted by the legal heir.
Mr. Yuvin,
Yes, my lord.
if I recall, you had said that this matter is connected with those pending matters, some of which have been disposed of.
Yes, my lord. Yes, but
As far as those disposed of matters are concerned,
yes,
would they have any bearing or some connection with your case?
my lord, I have not gone through in which way the matters were disposed of, my lord, because when the committee was constituted to examine my grievances, my lord, the committee says that I was eligible and I was entitled to the second ACP also, my lord, and but the committee said since there are already a pending case, we should wait for the outcome. So that is the part. So let me examine
There are
the
a
other judgments.
number of similar cases,
My lord.
4 or 5.
Yes, my
If
lord.
I recall correctly, maybe 1 or 2 of them I have disposed of.
Dispose of, my lord. Yes.
If those matter which have been disposed of
My lord.
have a
Yes.
a direct nexus with your case,
My lord.
then you can pursue that
My lord.
at
My
that
lord.
angle,
My lord.
instead of just proceeding with this matter.
Yes, my lord. My lord. Yes, that would be a much wiser thing to do. I believe so also. Anyway, my lord, let me give. I'll study this week, my lord.
So I'll give you 2 weeks,
2 weeks,
time
my lord.
on pre-made by the legal counsel for the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks.
My lord. Oblige.
Item number 6.
My lord, I have been also informed that the matter which is similar to the issue before lordship was taken up today also. There
In the other
court number 2, my lord.
Dispose of.
No, my lord.
disclose. Another
The same
2 months
submission.
time have been granted
Yes, my lord.
to the
Which
government.
We have made the same
And
submission before
the
both the court.
proposal in that case as well as this case is the same.
Same, my lord.
It concerns the same officers in the education
Same
department.
department, same issue with regard to teachers' promotion, my lord. So we have made the state has made similar submission before the court number 2, my lord, where we have been given 2 months time, which I have submitted before lordship also, my lord. So minimum 2 months time will be required as of now, my lord.
So you are seeking time to file the report.
My lord, we have already constituted special committee to study, to review the entire issue of the promotion. So, my lord, that committee will be submitting their report, my lord, to us. So thereafter, my lord, if it's feasible, it's okay with the government to implement, my lord, thereafter the entire thing will come on track, my lord. So we're waiting for that special committee to give us their report, my lord.
Where is this minutes of the meeting that you have filed?
My lord, there was a meeting. My lord, in this meeting, perhaps, my lord, a special committee was constituted, my lord. A decision was made.
So, this is the minutes of the meeting held on the 9th.
9 April. Lordship. They were instructed to take, it'll take about 3 months time. Now that 3 months time expired today, Lordship. So today they have come again and sought for additional time, Lordship, to complete the process.
Has the committee been constituted?
My lord, yes. I have been informed committee has been constituted.
Do you have the
Well,
notification?
I do not have anything to apprise this court as of now, but we have informed instruction that a committee has been constituted, my lord.
Ms. Arponi Leonard J, appearing for the state respondent, has submitted that in terms of the resolution passed in the meeting held on 9th April 2024 in a concerned department, that is the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya. Copy of the minutes of which has been produced before this court. One of the resolution is that a committee is required to be constituted to re-examine the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2012. The Leonard J would submit that. She is instructed to inform this court that such committee have since been constituted, though details of the same could not be produced before the court today. It is, however, submitted that in view of the constitution of such committee, it is prayed that some time may be allowed for the government to
No.
sometime may be allowed for the said committee to render its finding or recommendation. Accordingly, in view of such submission made and as prayed for, this matter is adjourned. for the day, with the direction that the state respondent produce the direction that the state respondent would place before this court any such resolution or proceedings of the said committee on next date fix. This is matter up to
8 weeks, my lord.
8 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 7.
serious